Today, we're exploring a question that's on the minds of many homeowners and landscapers. How long does artificial grass last? This is an important consideration for anyone thinking about installing artificial turf, so let's delve into the details. Artificial grass, known for its low maintenance and year-round green appearance, has a varying lifespan depending on several factors. Typically, high-quality artificial grass can last anywhere from 15 to 25 years. However, this duration can be influenced by various elements. The quality of the artificial grass is a major factor. Higher quality turf, which tends to be more expensive, usually lasts longer due to better materials and construction. It's more resistant to wear and tear, UV rays, and weather conditions. Usage is another crucial factor. Artificial grass in a high-traffic area, like a playground or sports field, will likely wear out faster than grass in a low-traffic residential lawn. The type of activities it's subjected to also plays a role. Frequent heavy usage can shorten its lifespan. Maintenance, while minimal compared to natural grass, also impacts longevity. Regular brushing to keep the fibers upright, removing debris, and occasional rinsing can help extend the life of artificial grass. Climate and exposure to elements also play a role. Artificial turf in areas with extreme weather conditions, intense heat, freezing temperatures, or constant direct sunlight might not last as long as turf in more temperate climates. Installation quality is another key factor. Properly installed artificial grass with a good drainage system will last longer. Poor installation can lead to issues like pooling water or uneven surfaces, which can degrade the turf more quickly. In conclusion, while artificial grass can be a durable, long-lasting alternative to natural grass, its lifespan is affected by factors like quality, usage, maintenance, climate, and installation. With the right care and conditions, you can enjoy a beautiful, green lawn for many years. Thanks for watching. Remember, investing in quality artificial grass and taking good care of it can yield years of enjoyable, low-maintenance lawn. Plan wisely and enjoy the benefits of artificial turf. Happy landscaping.